Kama Mheshimiwa Victor Koech ambaye ni mjumbe wa hapa Chepulungu.
You know when you talk to great men, you forget things. I would like to talk to call our doctor who was with Mzee, Dr. Gerald Wasena. Uongea machache. Pole sana. You know, you are my son-in-law, so run.
His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander of the Armed Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, my mother-in-law, and the guests, all protocols observed. I was supposed to talk about Dad's illness, but I think time has gone, and my brother-in-law talked about almost everything. So I will not really merge into, I'll not speak a lot as far as his illness is concerned. But as a medical doctor, and as I said, I'm Dr. Angira. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I work at a hospital called St. Peter's Orthopedics. I happen to have known Dad and through all his illness. And when he fell ill the first time, he did not want to start treatment, but we had to talk him, and we had a conversation with him, and he said, Sandani, if you think that we should continue with this treatment, I'll start the treatment. And I thank God that this far God brought him because of the care I got from all the teams that were taking care of him. And again, as a medical doctor, my brother-in-law talked about everything, but as I will not, this is an opportunity that we rarely get as doctors, and there are two things I will probably just want to highlight for all of us, because it's a public knowledge, it's of public importance. Number one is that cancer is spreading. It is really increasing in our society. And we don't have much of the answers. We just try here and there, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and everything else. But we really don't have a cure as such. So the best management for us as the whole community should know is that we should try as much as possible to do preventive care. His Excellency, the President, brought the universal health care, and currently SHA is able to take care of diagnostics. So I'm requesting most of us to take the SHA and use that opportunity to come for early diagnostics. If you are 50 years and above and you are male, it's good to go for prostate test. There's a small test called PSA. There's for female, there's the rate of breast cancer and cervical cancer is very high. I'm requesting us that we take the advantage of the current universal health program that has been availed to us to go for this test so that we prevent it from getting us at a later stage. And lastly, we lost our dad from prostate cancer, and just a year ago or so, we lost a great leader, Joyce Laboso. And I'm appealing you, to His Excellency, the President, and also the management, the administrative office of Bomet, to consider having a special oncology unit in this area, because this is I was in Tenwek when we were doing data on cancer, and we realized that South Rift all the way to the southern part of Nyanza is a hotspot for colorectal cancer, esophageal cancer. And if we have an oncology unit around this area, it will really be great for our population. I think that's all I can say for now. Thank you, Mr. President.
Haya, sasa naomba tumkaribishe mjumbe wa